20,000 subscribers. That's what we got now. So let's see how we got there. Hi, I'm Tom Gavichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. Earlier today, I got 20,000 subscribers, and I want to thank all of you who subscribed in the past 4.5 years. That's how long it took, 4.5 years. I started June 25th, 2016 with my first video, and finally got 20,000 subscribers. And so I'm really happy about it. I'm almost at 2 million views also. I'm just a few views away from that. And so it's really coming along really good right now. And I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. And even those that subscribed and just quit along the way, because there's a hell of a lot of you that did that also, that actually got me to where I am today. So thank you very much. If you're wondering if there's going to be a contest, there probably will, but I haven't figured it out yet, and I don't know what the prizes will be, and all the details of it. I'm going to leave that up in the air for right now, but we'll have something pretty soon. So 20,000 subscribers. I'm not sure what I want to do with the contest, but it'll be coming. And while I'm at it, I want to thank every one of you on Patreon and who joined on the YouTube membership. Without you, I would not be able to do this, because your financial support has helped me through this to continue with my videos here, with equipment and supplies to show you how to do things. And let's not forget all those super chats and super stickers in the live streams. I really appreciate all the support from everybody. And every once in a while, I get a PayPal me donation too. So thank you very much. Every little bit helps. That is what it's all about. You have to educate your viewers. You have to enlighten your viewers. You have to entertain your viewers. You have to give them something of value. That way they come back. They want to come back, and they subscribe. So that's the key to it. Everybody's going to tell you how to get your YouTube channel bigger. Educate, enlighten, and inspire. But most of all, give value. That's the key to the whole thing. Once you do that, you'll just keep on going and going, and people will keep on subscribing. If you don't do that, you're just going to get a handful of people coming back and watching your videos time after time, and you're not going to get any new subscribers out of it. You may get a few here and there at a really slow pace, but you have to give something of value. Give them something to watch. Give them something to learn from. Get them something to be inspired from. Give them something will enlighten them. And that's all there is. Plain and simple. So, until the next time, we'll see you. That's the key right there. Educate, entertain, incite. Incite? That's the key to do. That's the key to get your YouTube channel bigger. Educate. educate, enlighten. Okay. Educate, enlighten. I keep forgetting. You thought there was more, didn't you? Well, that's all, folks.